Hey guys, as you can see, Wizard 101 is down for maintenance, but let's talk about why it's down for maintenance. So earlier today, 9/16/2022, in Ambrose Realm 2, Area 2, in the Commons, there was a bunch of random messages sent to people via server announcements. You know, when they're about to go down to maintenance and there's the banner counting down. Well, it was like that, but with random obscene words and memes and troll-like behavior. So that went on for a good 2-3 hours. Wizard Discord, it's going crazy, and Twitter, Wizard 101 said, Wizard 101 servers have been temporarily shut down due to an unexpected issue. We'll keep everyone updated on when they will be back up. Thank you for your patience. So, they've been down for, I don't know, maybe an hour now, maybe a little more. I'm not exactly sure the exact time they went down, but we've been waiting for them to open it back up, and so far we've gotten no other information on this issue. So what were sent? Well, you can click on the tweet replies and see a lot of different, this one I took, but a lot of people are getting a bunch of different troll server announcements. This guy, the next world boss is an asshole. Exilus, the worst company I've ever worked with. People were just going crazy. Especially people were in the comments freaking out, being like, oh, this is the end of Wizard 101, but I highly doubt it. It's just a maintenance to get everybody to calm down, cool off. But what are they going to do about it? How did this issue even start? How was somebody able to get into Wizard 101 and start typing all this to every player? How did this start? And what are they going to do in the future about it? Even now, there's people in the official Wizard 101 Discord freaking out about, oh, are they going to compensate us for this time off? What are they, how are they going to address it other than saying it's just a maintenance? Or are they not going to? Which, I mean, they could just sweep it under the rug and be like, oh, nothing happened, blah, blah, blah. But now we're just waiting to see how this resolves. And yeah, I just wanted to come on here and talk about it for the people who didn't know what was going on. And just to kind of summarize everything that happened. Anyways, I'm Elizabeth, and bye.